Hello everyone, imagine that it's today's stand-up meeting and your manager has asked everyone to learn Python through a stand-up coder YouTube channel through a Python series, and as soon as everyone has joined the meeting, the manager asks that yesterday I have asked everyone to watch at least 5 videos of a stand-up coder Python learning series. So tell me, how many videos have you watched? So one of your employees says, I have watched 5 videos. Another employee says, I have watched 8 videos. Another says, I have watched only 3 videos. Now the manager start asking different question. He has asked the employee who has exactly watched 5 videos. So he is asking like, have you watched exactly 5 videos? So he told yes, and he has moved to different employee and asked, have you watched 8 videos? So he has told yes, I have watched 8 videos. So manager comparison, doing a comparison between, like, he has told to watch at least 5 videos, but the employee has watched more than 5 videos. So he told, he has appreciated him, so that he, okay, you have watched more than 5 videos, so he appreciated, and moved to another employee and asked him like, how many have you watched videos? So he told, I have watched only 3. So manager asked him to watch at least 5, so you will learn more fastly. So have you noticed here something? He is not just asking how much. He is comparing, doing a comparison between the task, how much he has assigned. Like, he has assigned at least 5 videos he should watch, but some of the employees has watched at least 5 videos, some has watched more than 5 videos, some has watched less than 5 videos. So that's exactly what we are going to learn today. It's a comparison. So comparison between the number. So let's go to our Visual Studio Code and do some of the coding. So let's go and share my screen first. So okay, let me share my screen. So I hope my screen is visible now, and let's go and do some of the operations. So like, manager has told to watch at least 5 videos. So I have created a variable where I am assigning 5 as a task. So, and I will see the print of it. So it is giving me print task not is equal to 5, means it is false. If I will give print task is equal to 5, it is giving task is equal to means I have to do a comparison. So task is equal to 5 is equal to true. So this is how we are doing a comparison. And this is equal to is not a comparison, it is a assignment. We are assigning the value. So equal to will do a comparison, okay, if this is equal to 5 or not. So yes, now it is equal to 5. Now some of the tasks where some of the employee, let's say I have taken the example of my last subscriber who was Bhushan. So let's take a different name, Pankaj. Let's say, suppose Pankaj has watched at least 8 videos, and I am printing his name as a print, and task is equal to 8 5. So it will give me Pankaj. So it is giving me a false, but he has completed the task. So what I should do, I should compare, in suppose that if the value is, if he has watched the videos is greater than 5 or not. So for that I have to do greater than 5. So and equal to, so it is giving me a true value. And if suppose some of the employee emp is equal to 3, some of the employee has not watched videos, so I will give print emp greater than equal to 5. So it will give me a false value. So in this way you can do a comparison like greater than equal to. And let's go and do some comparison with Less than also, like there are some comparison which I can write. So if I will do comparison, so one comparison is equal to, one is not equal to, one is greater than equal to, and one is less than equal to. We can do it, and one is greater than, less than. In this way, we can do a comparison between a two values. So let's go and create some example uh, of this which I have taken, like who has watched videos or not. So at least I should assign a videos as manager has asked him, like at least 5 videos you should watch. So I am assigning a default value as videos is equal to 5, and I am taking a input. Let's say I am taking an input from different user, like n1, like watched videos. Let's say suppose watched videos is equal to int, and inside this input enter how many videos you have watched. Enter how many videos you watch. So let's suppose I'm taking an input and I will do a comparison between. If watched videos greater than equal to 5, okay, let's just suppose if watched video is 5, if watched videos is equal to 5, then I will print good job, and I will print it in a double quotes, good job. If watched videos is greater than equal to 5, then print extraordinary, because he has put some effort. So extraordinary, great job, or something extraordinary job. Ordinary job. Okay. And something like if watch videos is less than 5, watch videos is less than 5, so what I will print, please speed up, please watch the video, please watch the videos. So in this way you can create, and it will go in if condition. So I will talk about like a conditional statement also. This is a conditional statement which I will explain in later, how we can create a conditional statement. There are something if else and nested if kind of thing. I will not in this video. So let's go and compare. Let me remove this videos if we don't need this. So and else print something, enter correct output or some correct value. If any user has entered something different of number, like he has entered something not a number but a capital letter A or B, so in that way it should give a error. So I am giving enter how many videos you watched. So I am giving exactly 5. So it is comparing if he has watched 5 videos or not. So if WB is equal to 5, so it is giving me a good job. Now if I will go and print 10, so it is telling extraordinary job. Let me go and execute again, and I am writing 3. So please watch the video. And if I will give something different, so it will give me an error because invalid literal for int, like because int I should take a int only value. So yes, in this way we can do a comparison between like two numbers. So I hope like you have watched this fully and understood something. So this is it for today. I hope like you have understood everything. So do subscribe my channel so that I get some motivation to make such videos. And for tomorrow, what I will do, I will make a videos on logical operator and or not, and then assignment operator. I will make some videos on that also. So for that, subscribe the channel so that you can get the latest update for my upcoming videos. And if you found this information helpful, so then do like it and share with your friends so that they can also learn Python from the very scratch. So this is it for today. Have a good day and happy learning. Bye bye.